In this video, I'm going to show you how to pitch shift in Pro Tools. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the most common ones. The first one is going to be using Elastic Audio, okay? So this is going to be best for real-time tweaking. Now, the first thing you have to do in this case is basically go to your track where you want to pitch shift, and you want to go to this section. So over here, there's going to be like an empty section, and you want to simply click on this section, and you want to change it from none to this Elastic Audio plugin, and you want to select either polyphonic or rhythmic, okay? So polyphonic here is going to be best for music or vocals. So it's up to you. I'm going to select polyphonic right now, okay? There we go. That's the first thing you have to do. Then you want to select this grabber tool up top, and you want to make sure that the grid is selected over here, so you can actually click on it and it's going to get selected just like this. And then when you select your audio, you want to right click it and you want to click on Elastic Properties. In here you can see pitch shift, and this is where you can basically go ahead and adjust the pitch by typing values into the pitch shift fields over here, okay? And that's essentially the first way you could do this. That's the first one. Now I'm gonna go to method 2, and method 2 here, let me actually just remove this. There we go. Our method 2 here is going to be the pitch to plugin, okay? This is the best for automation. So what you want to do is go to your track, you want to click on this button top left, and you want to enable inserts A to E. If they're not enabled, they're going to be enabled after you click here, but if you can't see this, you can simply go to the top over here, view, edit window views, and enable inserts A to E, okay? Now whenever you've done this, you can then go and add your plugin by clicking anywhere where there's empty slot. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to switch from no insert to plugin, and then pitch shift, and you can select pitch to either mono or mono/stereo, so it's up to you. I'm going to click on this first one over here, and there we go. It's going to open up this pitch shifter, okay? You can then, of course, click on it again to, of course, enable it. And then in here, as you can see, you can basically change everything and basically pitch shift, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.